So Rahul Gandhi spoke yesterday for the very first time as the LOP, as a leader of the opposition. Clearly, the Congress says we have put the government on the mat. The Congress claims we've spoken about Agniveer, we've spoken about NEET, we've spoken about Manipur, and yes, we've also tried to actually usurp the so-called Hindu pitch of the BJP. But all this has also come, remember, with a lot of allegations that have now come in from the government side. They said a lot of comments that were made by Rahul Gandhi were unverified, unsubstantiated, uncalled for. We've seen a lot of back and forth. We do know now that a lot of these comments have been expunged by the chair. So how will the Congress respond to that? We'll find out in just a moment. But do remember, ever since this controversy broke yesterday, we've seen Priyanka Gandhi batting for her brother, followed by reactions that have come in from multiple BJP chief ministers, multiple NDA leaders also, all of them saying that the comments Rahul Gandhi made were clearly unwarranted and he's using religion right now in the parliament to divide people. Listen in first up to what all has happened.
कभी हिंदुओं का अपमान नहीं कर सकते, बहुत स्पष्ट बोला है उन्होंने बीजेपी के बारे में बोला है, उन्होंने बीजेपी के नेताओं के बारे में बोला है।
श्री राहुल गांधी को देश की जनता से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। श्री राहुल गांधी का बयान झूठ का एक पुलंदा है, अपनी उस मानसिकता का हिस्सा है जो एक्सीडेंटल हिंदू लगातार आजादी के बाद से करते रहे हैं।
We also have a fresh response that, remember, has come in from the BJP. The BJP says that this is Rahul Gandhi politicizing and using religion, caste again to divide people. Let's listen in to what Shehzad Poonawalla has to say.
आतंकवादी कहना, हिंदू टेरर कहना, सैफरन टेरर कहना, हिंदू तो आईसिस बोको हराम है, राम मंदिर का और प्रभु श्री राम के अस्तित्व का विरोध करना, कृष्ण जी ने जिहाद सिखाया था अर्जुन को ये कहना, सनातन समाप्ति से लेकर सनातन बीमारी है कहते कहते आज लोकतंत्र के मंदिर में ये कहना कि जो लोग भी अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत 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 फैलाते हैं। क्या ये किसी और धर्म के अनुयायियों के बारे में कहा जा सकता है? दूसरे धर्म के विषय में तो कहते हैं आतंकवाद का कोई धर्म नहीं होता, पर हिंदू टेररिस्ट, हिंदू हिंसात्मक, करोड़ों हिंदुओं की आस्था जिस प्रकार से आहत की गई है, इसका माकूल जवाब हिंदू समुदाय, हिंदू समाज के लोग तो देंगे ही, पर राहुल गांधी को बताना चाहिए कि ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है या नफरत के भाईजान।
देखिए, राहुल गांधी तो शुरू से हिंदुओं को गाली देते रहे। आज जो उन्होंने सदन में कहा, जो हिंदुओं को गाली दी, उनमें हिम्मत है कि कुरान के एक पन्ने को भी अपमानित करके देखें। जिस दिन अपमानित कर देंगे उस दिन फिर सरतन से जुदा के नारे मुसलमान लगा देंगे। बंगाल में घटना घटी है, इनमें हिम्मत होगा कि मुसलमानों ने महिला को पीटा, क्या उसके खिलाफ बोल पाएंगे? नहीं बोलेंगे।
संसद में कुछ जिम्मेदार महत्वपूर्ण पदों पर जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं उनके द्वारा हिंदुत्व को हिंसा से जोड़ना ये अत्यंत दुर्भाग्यजनक है। और हिंदुत्व तो ऐसा है कि चाहे विवेकानंद का हो या गांधी का, वो तो सौहार्द और बंधुत्व का ही परिचायक है, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं। हिंदुत्व को बारे में ऐसी प्रतिक्रिया ठीक नहीं है।
All right, so multiple responses that you've heard from the BJP make it very, very clear that this is an all-out war right now between the opposition and between the treasury benches. Do remember, we still have that all-important NDA's parliamentary meet that is underway as we speak. We have both Mohit and Shivani joining us right now, and both are tracking and speaking to different leaders, both from the opposition and the treasury benches. Mohit, let's begin by asking you, what do we know about what's being discussed, what has been spoken so far in the NDA's parliamentary meet?
Well, Deepthi will get the details of that in some time from now, but what we are being told is a message has been given by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to all the NDA MPs that what exactly would be the focus of the government and how exactly they need to counter the opposition when the opposition comes up with their agenda inside the parliament or outside the parliament. But Deepthi, this meeting is also very, very important given the fact that how Rahul Gandhi's statement has come yesterday. The opposition parties, they are together, they are attacking the government on host of issues, And now we see that how at the NDA Parliamentary Party meet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be giving out his mantra that what exactly would be the agenda of his government for 5 years and how exactly they need to respond to the opposition on the charges that are being leveled by the opposition. Now, in the evening, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be speaking in the Lok Sabha. So we have to wait and watch what exactly would be the context of his speech, because the BJP has been attacking the Congress party. They have been attacking Rahul Gandhi, and all the leaders are coming out saying that Rahul Gandhi has insulted the Hindus. He has insulted the Hindu religion. And if he can he say that those same lines, can he repeat those same lines for any other religion? He will not do it because he believes in appeasement. So that is what the BJP says. BJP says he needs to apologize. And today also massive fireworks are expected inside the parliament when the House proceedings will begin at around 11 a.m. So we have to wait and watch what exactly will pan out of this NDA Parliamentary Party meet. And after that, the session will begin. So massive fireworks are being expected, given the fact that how the BJP is trying to corner the opposition and the Congress party on the issue of Rahul Gandhi's speech. And also the BJP says that the statement that Rahul Gandhi made on Agniveer, on farmers issue or on the other issues, that was devoid of the facts. And in fact, we saw Bhupendra Yadav standing up while Rahul Gandhi was speaking and said that according to the conventions of the House, if any member says, makes a statement and the other member believes that it is devoid of the facts, then there has to be a fact check of those statements. And we have seen that how various BJP leaders are putting out tweets. They are saying that what Rahul Gandhi has said about the Agniveers is not true. They are being given more than 1 crore rupees. In fact, video of the Agniveers family have come out where they say that they are being given 1 crore 10 lakh rupees in Maharashtra. So clearly the BJP is trying to corner Rahul Gandhi on that, while the opposition says that Rahul Gandhi has raised the issues which concern the country, and perhaps that is why opposition says that they will be raising these questions. And today also they are likely to raise the issue of Need 2 in the parliament. Back to you in studio.
Yes.